This incredible speaker requires no Bluetooth connection, no wires, no NFC, but only your device to play its magic. Let's find out. This is the BENTO speaker by OAXIS. It's a portable speaker for your smartphone that is 8 inches long, 3 inches in height, and weighs about 1 pound, and built with its premium smooth textured polycarbonate from top to bottom. Inside the box is the speaker unit, a manual, line-in audio cable, and a micro USB cable for charging. The speaker has 1000 mAh lithium battery that requires 3 hours charging time with 6 hours continuous playback. Now, what makes the speaker so incredibly unique is the close contact induction audio technology, which surprisingly requires no interconnection such as Bluetooth, infrared sensor, NFC, or even wiring to play your favorite music, and is also compatible to any smartphone that has built-in speaker. To use the speaker, you just need to push the power button once and put the smartphone on top of the speaker just like this, and there you go. You now have the incredible boombox to show your friends. Now, to put this on a quick sound test, I'll be comparing the BENTO speaker versus the iPhone 7 Plus built-in speaker. Here's how the iPhone 7 Plus speaker would sound like with 50% volume to 100. And here's how the music would sound like with the speaker. I can say the sound quality is unbelievably striking. The mid-powerful bass and the clarity of the sound, considering the size of the speaker, can definitely tell it's truly a great product. Although the speaker may not be compatible with large devices such as the iPad for wireless playback, but you can use the optional audio cable that came with it and use the speaker with your device. Now, to charge the speaker, you just simply use the micro USB cable. In addition, I'll be putting some links in the description below on where you can get the speaker. Overall, this portable speaker is genuinely one of a kind with its 360-degree multi-directional sound disperse plus the added wireless technology that is compatible with most handheld devices. This BENTO speaker is definitely a great companion. For more awesome gadget accessory reviews, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This has been Trey from Mobile Code PH.